Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and I got a quick one today. We got something from the United States. This comes from a fella, I'm just going to say his name is Scott B, and yeah, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Nice. So I saw he got a variety from Malaysia, and I was really curious about it because I've heard of the brand before and I've tried varieties by this brand before, but I've never seen this one. And I was like, wow, where'd you get that? That's cool. And then he messaged me and said, hey, you want some? And I was like, yeah. I'm guessing maybe he didn't like it to send me this many. But this is Alai with their Penang Hokkien prawn noodle, and I love Hokkien prawn noodle. Flavor is very strong, very prawny, sweet, good stuff. So this brand has had some pretty decent stuff in the past, but I want to say when I had it before, it wasn't a wheat noodle, which this definitely feels, yeah, this is a wheat noodle, a fried wheat noodle. But in the past when I've had it, it was, what do you call it? Rice noodle, like bihun, like rice vermicelli. So really curious about this one. Gonna review it very soon. I'm looking forward to this. So yeah, cool. Well, thanks again to Scott B for shooting this over. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.